Hi there, my name is Paul and I am the owner and registered professional for a company called Advanced Architectural Design. And today I'm just going to do a little bit of a information session. I've been in the industry for plus minus 25 years and I always get asked the same thing: what is the procedure when it comes to drawing up of house plans for either an alteration, an addition, or a new house or new property? And I'm just going to run through the different scenarios and what you need to do in order to proceed with this process. It can be a little bit tricky, but just follow the steps and make sure you've got all the information and you'll be okay. Cool, let's start. Alright guys, so let's get started with this. Firstly, we're going to start with the additions and alterations. You will have access to this form or this document. All you need to do is click on the link that you see below this video and that'll take you directly to this document. And from here you can view our website, you can get in touch. Alright, so what's needed for additions and alterations? The first thing that you'll need is a copy of your existing plans from the local council. Please make sure that they do have all the plans, because we have found that over the last, I would say, 6 months or so, a lot of the banks are requiring approved plans before they will do final transfer and final payments. So if one day you decide to sell your property or your house, you will require all approved plans. So this can be, you can get it from the council. You'll find that sometimes they do not have plans and they will not take any responsibility for those plans. So it is up to the owner to then have as-built plans drawn. If you do have that problem, you can get in touch with us and we can help you with that. We operate all over Gauteng, so give us a shout. Alright, so when you go to the council and you want to get a copy of your existing plans, they normally do charge a search fee. So be prepared to pay a couple of £100. Second thing that you'll need is a copy of your zoning information for your particular stand or your area, and that you also get from the council. Here is an example of a zoning information. City of Johannesburg's zoning information. It gives you your stand number. I've blocked these out because obviously this is a previous customer's information. Township, which was Sunninghill, the street address. You then have your use zone, which this was the residential one. Your height zone, how high you can go, and this refers to different tables which you will get with the zoning information. So your height zone, your floor area ratio, your coverage, your density, your building lines, parking requirements, etc., etc. All of the information is there. We do have someone that can get this information for you, so if you require this information and you don't want to go to the council yourself, then give me a shout. My name is Paul. You can get a hold of me on paul@advancedarchitectural.co.za or on my cell number. The next thing that you will need possibly is an engineer certificate. So if you are building double story, you will need an engineer certificate for that slab or that suspended floor. The other instance where you'll need an engineer certificate is if you have soil that is an issue or that has clay in it. The council will require an engineer certificate. The engineer certificate is just a piece of paper that the engineer signs when you submit the plans, and he also stamps the plans, and then it's up to you to use that particular engineer for the job. The next thing that you'll need is your energy efficiency calculations. That's done by an energy competent person, and as part of the SANS 10400 Part X and Duty 19, they will supply you with the energy efficiency calculations. This is required by all councils, just to show that your new addition is energy efficient. This normally means that you cannot put steel windows in, you have to have insulation in the roof, etc., etc., etc. The next question that people ask is, how much should it cost to draw up plans for alterations and additions? Just remember, guys, that if someone is coming in at a super cheap price, please question why. Remember that this is a recipe to build your additional alteration. So it needs to be correct and it needs to be full working drawings with all sections, elevations, roof plans, site plan, soil plan, which is your sewer plan, energy efficiency, electrical, lighting, and so on and so forth. Guys, if you need any help with this kind of stuff, just give us a shout. There is a link on this page as well, which will take you to our website. There is a video here that you can watch which shows you our past projects, or some of our past projects. We've done so many in the last 25 years. We couldn't include all of them. Yeah, so I hope this helps. If you have any questions, please post a comment at the bottom of this video, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you guys. Take care. Cheers.